We are from Baroda Medical College and we are here to have great fun and represent our college in various events like badminton, athletics,
Swimming,
drama,
swimming, literature, volleyball,
and
and concert.
yes, we are looking forward to this Vishal Shekhar and Arjit Singh's night.
And especially Indian Ocean.
And we have heard a lot about Pulse, so
Our first experience
our
about
expectations
Pulse,
are very high.
and we are looking forward to enjoy this.
Yes.
Next time we also expect that you also coming to Vibrant 2014
Yeah.
In Gujarat.
in Gujarat.
Baroda Medical College.
Yes, he has something to say.
Na 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 please man.
सबसे अच्छी
College con!
Okay complete.
Best college.
चलो एक लास्ट सबसे अच्छी कॉलेज कौन सबसे अच्छी कॉलेज कौन
BMC. BMC.